Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a quick unboxing of a few things I just picked up from Amazon. So let's get straight into it because I have about 5 items to show you guys. So first, I restocked my K18 Detox shampoo. Only this time I got the bigger size. This is the 8.5 ounce and it's the Peptide Prep Detox shampoo. So if you've been watching my wash day routines, you already know this is a staple for me. I love using this to detox my hair because it just gets everything out and makes it squeaky clean. I like to use this at least once on a wash day before I use a regular shampoo or a moisturizing shampoo. I especially like using this because I have chemically treated hair and I do a lot of heat styling, and well, it's K18, so it's literally biometric hair science. Next, I got some hair clippings from Love Me Hair. I have been wanting to do something extra with my hair ever since I did a Japanese straightening last October, but I wanted to first understand DHS before I did anything to my hair. So for that first 6 months period, you already know I didn't do much. I focused on maintenance, moisture, protein, washing, finding the right products, finding what works for my hair and what didn't. But now that I've done my touch up, I am ready to show up and show out. Let's unbox it. So it came with some gifts. I got these clips, which I'm sure will come in very handy because you know I love sectioning. It also came with some very dramatic lashes. Not sure I'd be using these, but it was thoughtful. And lastly, the hair. Now I purchased 20 and 22 inches and I'm only unboxing one of them. So this, I believe, is the 20 inch. This is the 20 inch. Straight out the packaging, the hair is very beautiful. The length looks like whatever length it's supposed to be. So according to the description, it's invisible clippings, and that simply means that, well, see for yourself, it doesn't show the weft, right? So the weft doesn't show. They make it very hair-like, should install, very seamless, and it clips right in. I actually went and played around with the other box of this already, and I can't wait to do it on camera, but I'm loving it so far and the hair feels great. I will of course do an installation video for you guys, so look out for that. Oh, since I do have one that I had pulled out, I can show you what it looks like. So seamless at the front, invisible, and the clips at the back. It does come with the clips installed, so you just part your hair, clip it in, and lock it into place, and that's it. So yeah, very excited to show you that installation. All right, so this one I'm really excited about. I got a new flat iron. I've been on the hunt for something that will give me a sleek, silky finish without doing too many passes. Since I do have heat-treated hair, having a good flat iron is really important to minimize heat damage. Now, full transparency, I've used it already. I tested out most of these things before this unboxing video because I bought them. I didn't have time to do the video yet, and I needed to use my stuff. So, tried it, loved it, and of course, you can look out for that video. Next, I got this length checking comb. This comb actually measures your hair in inches. Now, the idea behind getting this is I wanted to measure my new growth. I know I pushed to stretch my JHS hair to 6 months post treatment. So I've had 6 months of new growth, and I was very, very curious to know how many inches I'd grown. Instead of just getting a traditional tape measure, I got a comb that measures in inches. Unfortunately, I already did my touch up. I was in a hurry to do that and completely forgot to measure it. So opportunity lost there. But I'm still very much a fan of this comb. This is what it looks like, and I will no doubt be using it for my next regrowth before I go ahead and do my touch up, or just to track my regrowth process as my hair grows out again. So very handy device. I got this flat iron comb attachment. Something I'm also very excited about because you know I practice the chase method when I am flat ironing my hair. I got this because I no longer wanted to have both hands engaged when I'm straightening my hair, when I could just do all of that with one hand. So how this works, like I said, I already started using these, so I did go ahead and attach it to my flat iron. So this part right here, it comes with an adhesive at the back and you just stick it to your flat iron. So I went ahead and did that. When your flat iron heats up, it does not melt the adhesive and it's not messy or gooey or anything like that. So don't worry about any of that. Then it comes with this Velcro attachment like comb, and you simply just go ahead and attach it. Now you have your comb in front of your flat iron. So when you're doing your hair, it's chasing while pressing. This is not plugged in right now, but let me just show you what I mean. Use it already, it works. And my favorite part is whenever I need to switch hands, I simply just switch the side of the comb from this side to this side. So if I now need to focus on this side of my hair, that works. So yeah, that's everything I picked up. Let me know in the comment section which one you want me to review first, whether it's the flat iron, the clip-ins, the length checking comb, or the flat iron attachment. You've already seen many videos about the K18 Detox shampoo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!